Hi guys, welcome to the Tools Brain. In today's video, I will show you two free AI tools to convert an image into a video. The first AI tool is Leonardo AI. If you don't have an account yet, open the link in the description and create one. Then log into your account. Leonardo AI has many AI tools, but the one we are interested in converting an image to text is Motion. From the left sidebar or on the top, click on Motion. It shows you this window where you can select the image you want to convert to video. The duration of the video generated will be 4 seconds longer. Also, you can only convert your generated images with Leonardo AI. That means you can't upload pictures from elsewhere. But you can use the images created by the Leonardo AI community. If you click on Home, it will show you the Community Creations page. I will choose one picture. For example, I will select a picture from the photography category. Let's try this coyote's image. When I click on it, it shows me the prompt used to create the image. Under the prompt, there is the option Image to Motion, which allows us to convert this image to video. Also, the option Image to Image will enable us to create images similar to this one. I click on Image to Motion, and it shows me this window. Let's scroll down a little bit. The option Motion Strength allows us to determine the amount of movement added to the image. Converting an image to a video costs 25 tokens. Let's click on Generate. Now the video is being generated. You can close this window, and after it finishes the generation you can find the video on the AI Gen page or personal feed. I wait for the generation to be completed. To see it, click on Personal Feed on the left sidebar. You will find your video on the first of your generations. Click on it. This is the final result. The coyote is running. To see better results, try to change the amount of motion added, then choose the video you like. The second AI tool to convert an image to video is Vidnaz. Just open the link in the description or type in your browser vidnaz.com. On the top menu, click on Free AI Tools. Then click on AI Image to Video. Now, this is where you can select your image. Make sure you choose the Image to Video tab, because there is another tab where you can create a video from text. I will download an image from Unsplash. For example, let's search for waterfall images. I like this image, let's download it. Then, I come back to Vidnaz to convert it to a video. I click Upload an image and upload the waterfall image I downloaded. Then, I click Generate a video. The duration of the video generated will be 3 seconds. With Vidnaz you can create 2 images per day for free. This is the final result. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more AI tool guides. Have questions or suggestions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.